This is the third video on the topic conditional operators. If you are interested in watching the previous videos on this topic, the links are given in the description box. So we have checked for equal to condition with numbers and strings. Let's learn about not equal to. To check this condition, we will use not equal to, which is an exclamatory mark and an equal to sign without any space in between. Not equal to is the opposite of equal to, so which is why it is not equal to. So when we check for equal to condition, we check if the value on the left is equal to the value on the right, and if it is equal, then true will be the output. In the not equal to condition, we will check if the value on the left is not equal to the value on the right. If they are not equal, then the output will be true. I know this condition is new for you, so I am going to give you a lot of examples to understand. Let us go to Python and look at some examples. We write books equal to 3, pencils equal to 2. I know by now you would have got tired of books and pencils, but let's keep our examples very simple so that's easy to understand. Now we can write a condition which is print books not equal to pencils. Now we already know that books and pencils don't have the same value, so which means they are not equal. So now you can guess what the output of this condition will be. So books is not equal to pencils and the output will be true. So let us save the file and run the code. As we expected, it is true. So basically what Python is saying is, yes, you are correct. In this condition, books is not equal to pencils. So I am giving you the output true. If we check for equal to, the value on the left, which is books, is not equal to pencils, which is on the right. So the output would have been false. Let's change the condition from not equal to equal to. So I remove the exclamation mark from here and I put equal to. Now let's save the file and run the code. So now because we check for equal to sign, the output is false because books is 3 and it is not equal to pencils, which is 2. I hope you are able to understand the difference between equal to and not equal to condition. So in case of not equal to, there is only one way to get false as an output, which is when the value on the left and the right are same. So when they are same, then it will give the output as false. So if we change books equal to 2 here, so books and pencils are now same value, and then the condition to not equal to. So I remove one equal to and I put the exclamation sign here. Now let's save the file and run the code. So the output is false. For all other values, the output will be true. So you can keep on changing the values of books or pencils to anything you like and the output will always be true. Now, why do we need such a condition? Are we crazy? Why would we check if one variable is not equal to another variable? How is it useful when we write programs? Let me give you an example. Let us say you're getting ready for a birthday party, and before you go, your mom tells you you can eat anything you want in the party, but do not eat ice cream because you will catch cold. Now you go to the party and they have so much to eat like cakes, biscuits, ice cream, samosas, chips, jamun. Yum, what a party. I like such parties. So if we have to write a condition so that we can avoid eating ice cream, we can write in two ways. We can write item equal to cakes. So this should give a condition as the output as true, which means you can eat cake. If item equal to biscuits, again you should get the output true because you can eat it. If item is equal to chips, then again you can eat it. So the output should be true. And finally, if item is equal to ice cream, we should get the output as false because you should not eat it. So if the menu increases, right now I think I told you 10 items. If it increases, you will have to write a condition for each item. For all the items, your output it will be true, which means you can eat it. But only for ice cream, the output should be false, so that you should not eat. Imagine if our party had 200 items, then we'll have to write 200 conditions. Oh no, why would we want to do that? But if we actually think about it, we are not supposed to eat only one item, which is ice cream. So instead of writing 200 conditions, we can write one single condition, which will make everything so much simple. Of course, writing one condition is better than writing 200, correct? So we can write item is not equal to ice cream. So we are saying if whatever item we check, and if that is not equal to ice cream, then the output should be true, which means we can happily eat it. So if you take any item which is not ice cream, the output will be true, which means you can eat it. This is a simple example of when to use not equal to. Let us go to Python and quickly see this example. So now we are going to check for cakes. So I write item equal to within single quotes cakes. Now I write my condition within the print statement. So I write print, open the bracket, close the bracket, item not equal to ice cream, and ice cream within single quotes. Save the file and run the code. The output is true, which means the item which you have taken is not ice cream, because we took cake, right? So we can happily eat it. You can change the value of the item variable to anything, to whatever we saw before, biscuits, samosa, jamun, anything, and you can check the condition and it will always give you the output as true, which means you can eat it. If you change the item to ice cream and run it, the output will be false, which means you should not, the item you have taken as ice cream and you should not eat it. I hope you were able to understand the not equal to condition. We will see many more examples of this condition in our advanced courses. If you have any questions on this topic, please leave a comment and codePannu team will try to reply to your question. See you in the next video.